Hi, I'm Chuck Dorsett for Weaver Leathercraft, and this is the Leather Element. If you've got a question for us, drop it in the comment box below. We'll do our best to get a solid answer back to you. But at the same time, if you've got a good idea for a Leather Element, same box. Now this week we got an email from Caleb in South Dakota. It's a great question. He says he watches a lot of tooling videos, but nobody ever really goes into detail on the little weight bags. These are a huge help. If you've ever tried to tool or stamp a smaller piece, it's always wanting to move on you as you move your hands. This will cure that problem. The exterior, simple suede. In fact, I think this is scrap. Chrome tans will work nicely. The only thing we really don't want on our exterior is something with a discernible pattern, because we're working with wet leather and that will take an impression. Suede, no issue. On the inside, fishing weights are great, or shot. In fact, in mine, I've just got mismatched old chainmail links. But it works great. Doesn't have to look good, just has to work. Now, on that, if you don't have a little leather weight bag, we've got all kinds of weights around our house and shop. These are just feet from some type of a display. The great part, very rounded edge and very smooth across the face. The downside though, and I know me, I'm going to be paying attention to my tooling and not my weight. And even if I drop that from 1 inch up, it's going to make a bad impression in my leather. The weight bag, no issue whatsoever. I hope that's good information for you. Now, second point for this Leather Element, and we're going to cover this a little bit more in the future, but we just got back from a show for the International Federation of Leather Guilds. Find a guild in your area. I tell you what, these are the friendliest people. 1 minute in the door, you are going to feel like family. 2 minutes in the door, you are going to see some absolutely top-notch leatherwork. Not just top-notch leatherwork, but the creativity there, literally unlimited. You're going to see things you had no idea could be made from leather. But also the people, Ed, Jean, Amy, Kaylee Ann, you know what? And the women's group who gets together on Wednesdays to watch our videos and work on leather. Thank you for making us feel incredibly welcome. Again, I hope that's good information for you. Thanks for taking time to watch the Leather Element. Good luck with your projects.